Welcome to the colorful world! Today, let's embark on an underwater adventure while learning about the amazing array of colors. Get ready to dive into the beauty of the ocean and decorate fascinating fishes with your favorite colors. Who's ready to get creative and learn together? Don't forget to press the subscribe button so you don't miss other amazing videos. Okay guys, let's see. On the left side, there is a picture of a fish that has not been given a color, and on the right side, there is a picture of a fish that has been given a color. Isn't it beautiful? Your job is to give color to the fish picture on the left. Choose the same color as the fish picture on the right. Are you ready? Yellow color.
Orange color. Orange color. Orange color.
Peach color. Light blue color. Green color. Brown color. Blue color. Yeah, you have finished the yellow fish very well. You are very good at coloring. See you in the next learning coloring video. Thank you.